Hello, children. Good morning. Welcome to Foundation Stage 2 UW lesson. So let's see what's our learning objective for today. Our learning objective is learners will review sense of sight, sense of smell and sense of taste. Learning outcomes are learners will be able to understand that we have five senses. Which part of body is used for sense of sight, sense of smell and sense of taste, and how senses help us to explore the world around us. So as we all know, there are five senses. Can you name them with me? Yes, the first one is sense of sight. We see with our eyes. Second one is sense of smell. How do we smell, children? Yes, we smell with our nose. Third one is sense of taste. How do we taste food, children? Yes, you're right. We taste with our tongue. Fourth one is sense of hearing. How do we hear, children? Yes, we hear with our ears. And fifth one is sense of touch. We touch with our hands and sometimes with our foot also, right? And when we touch, we can feel it on our skin, right? Can you touch your skin? Yes, we can feel, right? So now look at these children. What they are doing, children? Can you tell me? Yes, you're right. They are reading the book. But what sense they are using now? Yes, you're right. They are using their sense of sight. They are looking at the book, they are seeing it, and then they are reading, right? Let's see what sense is next one. Mom has made yummy cake, and the boy Jack, he is coming. He ran and came because he smelled. So can you tell me how did he smell? You're right. He smelled with, he smelt it with his nose, right? Can you all point to your nose? Yes, let's see what's third sense. Okay, children, now look at this boy and girl. What they are doing? Yes, you are right. They are talking to each other. But how they talk with each other? How they can listen to each other? What do they use to listen to each other? Yes, you're right. They can hear themselves, right? They can hear each other. That is how the communication goes on. When he tells something, she can hear and understand. When she says something, he can hear with his ears and he can understand. So the communication goes on. They talk and talk and talk, right? She is very happy. She is eating her food. So what do you think? Which sense is helping her to taste? Yes, sense of taste is helping her to taste the food, and we taste with our tongue. And look at this girl. She is feeling very happy and cozy because her teddy bear is very fluffy and it is very soft. How we can say it is soft or hard? Yes, because we can use our sense of touch to feel the textures, right? Can you all take your teddy bear and touch it? How do you feel? Now, can you touch your table and see how do you feel? Is it the same? No, you are very right. It's not the same. The teddy bear will be very soft, but the table, it will be hard, right? So, sense of touch, we touch with our hands mostly, right? Now we are going to learn about the sense of sight in detail, okay? So let's explore. So as we all know that we use our eyes to see. Our sense of sight is used when we look things around us. We use them to see colors, size, shape and position. Now let's see what all things we can see around us. I can see. What is that, children? Yes, it is a rainbow. But can we touch the rainbow? You're right. We cannot touch the rainbow. We can just see, right? What this girl is doing, children? Yes, she is reading a book. She is using her sense of sight to see the book and read. And sun. We can see the sun, but we cannot touch them, remember, right? What are these? Yes, now also you can use your eyes to see, right? And you can tell me what is this picture. Yes, it is a picture of flowers. What is this, children? Say it aloud. Yes, it is a tree. What are these? Yes, these are clouds. And this is a moon. We can see the moon at night, right? Mostly. But do you think we can touch them? You're right. We cannot touch them. And we can see the table. We can see the chair. Can you look around and count how many things you can see? You can pause the video and you can walk around your house and see and count how many things actually you can see. Now it's time to explore about the sense of smell. So, as we all know, what part we use to smell? Yes, we use our nose to smell different things. We use our nose to smell and breathe. Smell is invisible. Invisible means something which we cannot see. So, to understand it better, can you all pause the video, go take a perfume and then spray it? Now can you smell the nice smell, the good smell coming? Yes, we can smell. But can you find the smell? Can you look at that? Can you find it? No, we cannot see it, right? We cannot see the smell, we can just smell. Our sense of smell helps us decide what we would like to eat. Now, there are good smells which you might like, and there are lots of bad smells too. Our nose helps us smell fire so we can keep ourselves safe. Look at that. When a building burns, the smoke comes and we can smell the smoke, right? And thus we come to know that there is a huge fire around us, like near to us. So we can protect ourselves, right? Okay, children. So now let's talk about two types of smells, good smell and bad smell. So in good smell, we can see a perfume, right? So do you have a perfume at home? Can you see if you can smell it good or bad? Flowers, soap, popcorn, and there are so many things which smells good, right? And now let's see what are bad smell. What do you see in this picture? Yes, it's garbage, right? Do you think it smells good? Yes, you're 100% right. It doesn't smell good. What is this, children? Yes, we can smell the smoke, right? When there is fire or something, we can smell
and it's not a good smell. And this is a diaper. Do you think it has good smell? Yes, it is bad smell. And there are so many other things which smells bad. So because of sense of smell, we can differentiate between good smell and bad smell.
Now let's learn about sense of taste. So we use our tongue to taste. Do you know, children? Our tongue is covered with taste buds which help us to identify four major tastes: sweet, salty, sour, and bitter. As you can see in this picture, this part of our tongue uses to taste the bitter food, and this part of our tongue uses to taste sour food, okay? And this part of tongue tastes salty things, and this part of our tongue tastes sweet things. So you see, these are the taste buds. So now we are going to see what food we have taste like bitter and sour. So the coffee, black coffee tastes bitter and lemon tastes sour. Let's see what about salty and sweet. What is this, children? Yes, French fries. It is salty. And what about this one? Yes, you are right. It is ice cream. It tastes sweet. It's reflection time. Let's see what do we have in our activity. Choose the picture that you can see but cannot touch. So you can look at the picture and you can circle the picture which we can see but cannot touch. Yes, you're right. It is a rainbow. Let's see what's next. Now you need to choose the picture that you can see but cannot hear. You are 100% right. The blocks, right? We cannot hear them. From these pictures, you need to choose the picture that you can see but cannot eat. Which one is the one which we can see but cannot eat? Yes, you're right. It is the rug. Let's see what's next. Choose the picture that you can taste. Hmm, you're right. We can taste the pizza. We cannot eat the ring of flour, right? Now let's play a game. I spy game. Are you ready? I spy with my little eyes. Find something which smells good and tastes yummy. Click pictures and post your activity on Teams. Thank you, children. Bye bye. See you next time.